Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How you guys are doing? I hope you guys all are doing well. So in today's video guys, I'm going to be doing makeup tutorial on this makeup look right here, which I have especially created for Valentine's Day. Yes, since Valentine's Day is coming soon, and I tried to make this makeup look as realistic and wearable as possible guys. I hope you guys gonna enjoy this video. If you guys wanna see how I did my makeup look, this makeup look right here, then please keep on watching, and for the delay, let's get to the tutorial now. Yeah guys, I applied moisturizer and primer as usual. And now I'm going to prime my face. So for the primer, I'm going to use this Maybelline Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser Primer. I'm just going to rub on my hand and just press it. For the foundation, I'm going to be using this Maybelline Super Stay 24 Hour Foundation in the shade 220 Natural Base. If you don't want your foundation look cakey, at first use very less amount. If you want more coverage or anything, you can build it up slowly. I'm just going to take 2 pumps, that's it. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to dot all over my face as usual, you know. To blend this foundation, I'm going to use Wet Beauty Blender. For the concealer, I'm going to be using this Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade 20 Sand Sable. Under my eyes, chin, cuticle, inner corner of my eyes, and blending this out. I'm going to use this Airspun loose powder under my eyes. I'm going to focus on this area because I have pores. This loose powder really airspun your pores and all that. Recently, I'm loving this loose powder thing. I am just going to dust it. I look matte right now, but I will show it anyway at the end of this tutorial. If you are dry skin girls, then you don't have to set your full face with this loose powder or any powder. You can set under your eyes and that's it. Quickly, I'm going to do my eyebrows. You guys know how I do my brows, so I found this doing eyebrows in front of camera, like every single video, it's quite boring as well, so I'm going to do that off camera. Today I'm not going to do heavy contouring. Definitely I'm going to do bronzer. For the bronzer, I'm using this Hola bronzer from Benefit. For the blush, I'm going to use this Tarte in the shade Blissful. This is such a pretty shade and I love this shade, and the formula of this blush is so good. To set my makeup, I'm going to use this NYX Fini Matte Makeup Setting Spray all over my face. Let's give some glow to my face now. For that glow, I'm going to use this Maybelline Master Chrome Highlighter in the shade 100 Molten Gold. Now I'm going to do my eye makeup, and for that, first I'm going to put some concealer on my lid and blending and setting. So for the eye makeup, I'm thinking to do realistic eye makeup, realistic and wearable eye makeup, because you don't wear like crazy and heavy eye makeup. So I thought I should do some realistic and simple yet a sexy kind of eye makeup. For the palette, I'm going to use this Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. I'm going to take this color with this angular brush. I'm going to make like a wing liner. I don't want any fallout. Then I'm going to take this shade right here, and I'm going to blend the edges of wing liner. Blending the previous shade to my crease like all over my crease. And now I'm going to take this shade with my finger, this one. With the help of my finger, I'm going to apply this shimmer shade all over my lid. Now with the same brush, I'm going to take the same shade for my lower lash line. For the lashes, I'm going to use this from Kiss Beauty. So yes, and mascara to my lower lashes. So for my inner corner, I'm going to use this shade. Looks perfect. For my brow bone, of course, I'm going to use this Master Chrome highlighter. So yeah guys, this is the eye makeup. For the lipstick, I'm going to wear a red lipstick. I mean, why not? And for that, I'm going to use this mini lipstick from Sephora in the shade 01 Always Red. This one. This is such a pretty red shade. On top of this lipstick, I'm going to use this red lipstick from this, I don't know what is this. So yeah guys, this is the final look, and I add this earrings. Yes, I'm kind of liking this makeup look. This is so realistic and wearable. If I ended up going date, dinner date or day, I will definitely gonna do this makeup look. Yep, I love it. And what do you guys think about this makeup look? Let me know in the comment section below, and I hope you guys enjoy watching this video and find this video helpful. If you did, then please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. What do you guys think about this makeup look? Would you guys like to do this makeup look on your date or not? Let me know in the comment section below. And as usual, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell as well. And as always, stay beautiful, stay positive, and stay happy guys. Bye bye. See you until then. Bye. Take care.